Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to file your taxes using the Freetax USA. So the first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then the next thing that you are going to do is you just have to search for Freetax USA. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up. Okay, so you can sign up for free. Okay, and then once you are done, you will now proceed to create your account. So we have here different phases. So we have to fill out the personal section, the income section, the deductions, the credits, the miscellaneous, the summary, the state, and then your final step. So here in the personal section, we will be starting with the taxpayer information. Okay, so you just have to tell them about yourself, including your first name, your middle initial, your last name, your occupation, your SSN or social security number, and then your date of birth. Next one is your address. Okay, so what if you have a foreign address? So you just have to read the section right here. So you just have to fill this out after that. Okay, and then here you just have to answer these questions. So for example, do you want to contribute $3 to the presidential election campaign fund? So you can just answer this one. Okay, so after that, the next thing is to um, go here. So let me just go back to the personal section. Okay, so you just have to tap on the save and continue option. All right, and then the next one is what is your filing status? So you just have to answer this one. So if you are single, married filing jointly, or married filing separately, and etc. Okay, so once you have your answer, you just have to tap on the save and continue. Okay, and then right here, dependents and qualifying children. So do you have any dependents or qualifying children? So if you do have, you just have to add a dependent right here. And then you can also read the section who qualifies as a dependent. And then after that, you just have to tap on continue. Okay, and the next one is the personal information summary. So you just have to review your summary, and if you have something to edit right here, you just have to tap on the edit option and for your filing status as well. Okay, so once everything is correct, so you just have to tap on continue. Okay, and then tap on continue. Okay, so tap on continue to income. So once you're done with the personal section phase, you just have to proceed with the income. So first one is your wages. So this is a form W-2, and are you ready to enter the W-2? So you just have to answer this one, but let's just skip this one for now. Okay, now the next one is your income. So here we have the common income. So we have like wages and salaries, investments and savings, unemployment compensation, social security benefits, and taxable social security benefits. So you have all those right here. Now the next one is to tap on continue once everything is done. Okay, so for the cryptocurrency, did you receive, sell, exchange, or otherwise dispose of any cryptocurrencies during 2025? So you just have to answer this one and then tap on save and continue. The next one is your 2025 income summary. So you just have to review this section and then tap on continue. Okay, so tap on continue. And then now let's proceed to the deductions. Okay, so right here, you just have to answer this one. So, do you have any of these deductions? So, for example, homeowner form 1098, mortgage interest, property taxes, and etc. Made a donation. We also have out-of-pocket medical expenses and taxes paid. So, for example, let's include this one as well. And then tap on save and continue. Okay, now the next one is you have to fill out your itemized deductions. For example, since we included this one, the homeowner expenses, so we have your $200, and for the donations to charities, we have 364, and for the taxes paid, you just have to add that right here. Okay, and then you just have to add the rest as well. Then the next one is to tap on continue. Okay, and then here, as you can see, we have standard deduction and we have the itemized deduction. So most people take the standard deduction, so you are in good company. But let's just use the itemized deduction and then make sure to answer this one. And then tap on save and continue. Now, did you have health insurance from the marketplace? Or did you have health insurance from the marketplace? This one is a form 1095-A. So if no, then select no and then save and continue. And then we have here now the common deductions and credits. So you just have to edit or add those right here and then tap on continue. The next one is the other deductions and credits. So, for example, for the health savings account, for the medical savings account, qualified adoption expenses, and credit for elderly or disabled. So you just have to add this right here as well. Okay, and just have to add the rest and then tap on continue. And the next one is your 2025 deductions and credit summary. So you just have to review the section and then tap on continue. Alright, so let's just continue to the miscellaneous and the topics. Okay, so these items are uncommon and most people do not need them. So if you have this, so you just have to add your miscellaneous. Next one is the refund maximizer. So yeah, you can maximize your refund. So if you want to answer a few more questions to see if they can increase your refund, so you just have to go here. But I'm just going to skip this part and save and continue. Now for your summary, so we have our federal tax summary right here. So you have the wages, interest income, the dividend income, and etc. So after this one, you just have to tap on to continue. And if you would like to view your federal tax return, you have this button right here. Okay. Now the next one. So let me just continue to the state. So right here, tax returns. So you just have to add those right here. Okay. So next one is the final steps. Okay. So right here, you can unlock more benefits. So we have here the support plans, the audit defense, the deluxe support, and the pro support. Okay, and we also have the printed copy of your tax return, and this one has a free shipping, and you can still print your own copy later for free. So here you can see the different prices. All right, and right here for your card summary, you'd be able to see here the total amount that you need to pay. So when you tap on continue, you will proceed to this section. So let me just tap on continue once again. And then you just have to pay for your FreeTaxUSA order. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.